Romeo and Juliet and the theme of fate. The concept of fate controlling our destinies is one which is prevalent throughout Romeo and Juliet. It's laced through the play. From the very beginning, the chorus tells us that the lovers are death marked and that we are therefore watching a tragedy unfold. In fact, the chorus itself underpins the functions of fate within the play by telling us the story before it begins. It makes the destiny of the two lovers inescapable from the get-go. Romeo and Juliet both have premonitions of their own destinies. Before he even meets Juliet, Romeo has misgivings about going into the Capulet ball, and Juliet later imagines she can see Romeo lying in a tomb. The two lovers seem to have a sense of their own impending dooms, but they're unable to resist following the path to their fate. Fate also plays cruel tricks. Romeo wakes in Padua having dreamt that Juliet found him dead but awoke him with a kiss. There's dramatic irony here because he's half right, but Juliet will indeed find him dead but will be unable to wake him. When he learns of his love's apparent death, Romeo cries, "I defy you, stars!" and immediately purchases poison to kill himself. Of course, this act is not defying fate at all. Instead, he's actually playing into Fortune's hands by committing suicide. Other characters also have their hand in fate. Mercutio's curse, "A plague are both your houses," is a doom-laden premonition of what will come for the Capulets and the Montagues. Their continued sparring will lead to the death of their beloved children. Romeo shows a growing awareness of his destiny when he learns that Mercutio has died and decrees that the black fate of what has happened will have far-reaching consequences. And Friar Lawrence, despite his best intentions and his efforts to change the fate of the lovers, eventually concedes to Juliet that there are higher powers at work. He is unable to stop the inexorable advance of the lovers' destiny. Don't forget that the information in this video is also available in written form in our Romeo and Juliet revision guide, and you can find that on the Twinkle website. You can also find a whole load more revision videos on our YouTube channel. Please check those out if this one is useful to you. Thanks for watching and goodbye for now.